What is Shopify and how does it work? Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to dive deep into Shopify. If you're new to the world of selling products online, whether it's dropshipping, selling physical products, handmade goods, and many more, you probably want to know how Shopify works and the things you'll need to know before getting started to have a smooth sailing success on this platform. So if you want to learn all that, stick with me throughout this video. Without further ado, let's get into it. By the way, if you want to explore Shopify while watching this video, please click the link in the description down below. The link will bring you to the Shopify website. This exclusive link is not only convenient, but can also get you a longer free trial and an exclusive deal on Shopify for the first month. It's honestly insane, and there is really nothing like it. Now, the first question that might come to mind is, what is Shopify exactly? Well, Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows individuals or businesses to build their website and start selling products online. But Shopify isn't just a website builder, it is also a store manager. Once we get into the nitty-gritty details about Shopify, you'll see that it offers a lot more in terms of managing your store, shipping and payments, customizations, building your own domain, and much more. In your dashboard, you can add products, prices, discounts, sort collections, manage your markets, order fulfillment, email automations, customer database, marketing apps, and much more. And all of these features might seem a bit intimidating, but Shopify has a very intuitive, user-friendly interface that you will soon find it easy to navigate. Now, there are a few misconceptions about Shopify. Is Shopify just like Amazon or eBay? You can break this question down with the following two types of categorizations of e-commerce stores. First off, you have your platform type. Shopify is primarily an e-commerce platform that enables businesses and individuals to create and manage their own online stores, like this one over here. It provides tools for building a website, managing inventory, processing payments, and handling logistics. While on the other hand, Amazon and eBay are just online marketplaces where multiple sellers can list and sell their products directly to consumers. These platforms manage sales processes, but the sellers are responsible for their own inventory and shipping. Secondly, if you take a look at control and branding, Shopify gives users full control over the look and functionality of their website. This allows strong branding and a unique customer experience, tailored by the store owner. While Amazon and eBay offer limited customization for individual seller pages, the primary branding is of Amazon or eBay itself, not of the individual seller. Then if you take a look at customer interactions, store owners on Shopify can manage their customer relationships directly, which can lead to better customer loyalty and personalized services. While on Amazon and eBay, the marketplaces themselves primarily handle customer service, which can limit direct interaction between sellers and buyers. Well, Shopify is a versatile platform suitable for entrepreneurs, small to medium-sized businesses. It's ideal for dropshipping businesses and can integrate offline and online sales together. It's also suitable for digital content creators who are looking to sell their digital products, memberships, or subscriptions. That means there is really no restriction to whatever type of business you have if you want to get started with selling your business on Shopify. And a lot of people wonder, well, Shopify is fairly easy to use, even for beginners. Now, if you want to take a look at Shopify's interface, you can just edit your website with a simple drag and drop editor. Their website builder is very intuitive and simple. Simply click on the elements you want to change. If I want to change the image, I can click on select image and upload a new image over here. If I want to change this text, I can click on the text, and from the left panel, I can add my own text over here, like so. Then, if I want to add any section within my page, I can just click on Add Section on the left, and then proceed to add a multi-dimensional section from a bunch of their pre-existing templates to use. This is going to be a super simple and easy way for you to design your website, and it's going to make it easier with different pages, how you can structure them, how you can build a page for home pages, product pages, and use the pre-existing Shopify templates to further your designs. Now, what can you exactly sell on Shopify? Well, on Shopify, you can sell virtually anything as long as you understand your target audience. You have the potential to successfully sell online. If you scroll down into the product section within a product, you will be able to see you can track your inventory, shipping, and add different variants. You also can go on ahead and add variants in terms of materials, sizes, colors, and other options. Plus, if you go on ahead and add a new product, you can choose to add it as a digital product as well. Simply click on Add Product and then scroll down. You will see this is a physical product. If you just uncheck this option and you can click on digital product or services, you can set up your own digital product or services for Shopify. And you can sell different types of products such as handmade product, drop shipped product, as well as physical and digital product on Shopify. Now, do customers know that they're shopping on Shopify when they're on your website? No, that is completely not true. If a customer is on your website, they are not going to know that this is a Shopify-made website. This is because unlike marketplace platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, etc., Shopify is a website builder, which allows sellers to customize their website to their own fullest so they can have their own unique platform. You've probably been on multiple websites looking for items to buy and never realized that it is from Shopify. Now, another question that is commonly asked about Shopify is, can I customize my store? Well, yes, Shopify is all for website building and customization, so you can be rest assured that your website will be unique and represent your brand well. You can go on ahead and open up your website builder and add images as you want. You can even click on any section, scroll to the left, and pick out different color schemes. If you don't like the color schemes that Shopify has provided, you can always go on ahead and choose a different color scheme by clicking on Edit and by inserting your own color scheme. So you can build your own custom brand coloring with this method as well. You also can create pages within pages as well as go into your theme settings on the left. Then you can insert your own logos, animations, layouts, typography, and colors to further your brand image on Shopify. And once you save this in your drag and drop editor, if you want further customization, you can head on over into your Shopify dashboard. Then click on these three dots. And you can click on Edit Code. This Edit Code feature allows you to customize the website with code as well. Now, another thing you might be wondering about is, how do you get paid on Shopify? Well, sellers get paid every time they make a sale, and there are tons of payment options for your customers to pay you, such as PayPal, credit cards, and Apple Pay. Shopify also takes care of all the transaction processes, so all of your payments are directly or automatically sent to your account. You can go into payments over here and then choose a payment provider for how your particular customers are going to pay you. Then if you scroll down, you will have your payment capture method. You can choose it to be automatic at checkout or a manual payment method as well. The next important thing in your payment sections is making sure to add your bank account. So you want to have both your routing number and your account number so that Shopify can get your funds into your bank. Now, a lot of people think that they need some special things about themselves or skill sets to run a Shopify store. Well, having a Shopify store or any online store has gotten easier throughout the years because of AI. For example, copywriting used to be a skill that sellers needed to create for good-looking descriptions or hire someone, but now ChatGPT is available and is being integrated with Shopify. Creating descriptions has become easier than ever. However, you still need to have some level of skill in putting together a beautiful website which captivates your target audience market and also helps you in making a sale. It doesn't have to be intricately designed with the best color scheme, layout, layout, logo, and images, but it has to look put together intuitively and with the intention of immediately aiding customers to their needs. You can go on ahead and go into your dashboard and go into online store. Then you can scroll down and you will see there are a few templates. Click on Visit Theme Store and you can view some of the templates available on Shopify, as well as see some of their demo stores that they have created. This can help you in getting an idea of what a successful store will look like, and you should be able to identify the primary needs of your particular audience. So you can see this is like a simple theme, and this is the type of store that they have built within this theme. If you want to customize your own store, you can take inspiration from these themes and then click on Customize. Then make sure you create a cohesive appearance for your home pages and the rest of your website. You also need to be able to identify which products sell and which don't, where to find cheap suppliers, and have a sale or discount system for your loyal customers. Now, one of the final steps when people are wondering about Shopify is whether or not Shopify is going to be a good way to make money online. Well, yes, Shopify can be very effective in making money online, but success depends on several factors, including the nature of the product or services sold, the effectiveness of marketing strategies, and the ability to provide excellent customer service. Reasons why Shopify can be a platform for making good money online. Well, first off, it is easy to use. Secondly, it has integrated tools with their Shopify App Store where you can integrate multiple different apps into Shopify. Then they also have an integrated marketing and SEO hub, as well as unlimited customization available. They also have global reach, dropshipping compatibility, mobile optimization, reliability, and security. All of these features combined help you in making an astonishing website for your particular store. And with all of these amazing features, you might ask yourself, is Shopify going to be expensive for sellers? Well, it's not at all, which reminds me, Shopify is going to be even cheaper because of our link provided in the description box down below. This link will bring you to Shopify's website, and with this exclusive link, you can get a longer free trial and an exclusive deal on Shopify for the first month. It's honestly an insane deal, and there is nothing like it. And there you have it, a complete beginner's guide to Shopify. In conclusion, Shopify offers a versatile and user-friendly platform for anyone looking to start their own online store. Whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to expand your business, Shopify's comprehensive tools support everything from product listings to payment processes. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day ahead.